I love you. I love you for everything. The time that you share with me, for all the joy that you have brought to my heart, for making my dreams of love come true and my fantasies, because of your soft words at just the right time. That's why I love you. And for encouraging me when I feel like I can't go on any longer, for being my voice when I have a hard time speaking, for being my legs when I'm tired, for giving me faith, for believing in me when nobody else does. That's why I love you. Because when you take my hand, you give me wings, and I can fly. Because you have changed my life, and you have given my heart a path to follow. Because with you by my side, I feel bigger. That's why I love you. And for the infinite reasons that I discover every day, I love you. I really do. And you know that. 我爱你，我爱你的一切，你和我共度的时光，你赋予我内心的快乐，你让我所有关于爱情的梦想成真，童话变成现实。你温柔的言语总是在最恰当的时候响起，所以我爱你。你在我无力支撑时给我勇气，你在我语无伦次时替我发声，你是我疲惫时的双腿，当全世界都离开我而去时，你给我信念，你始终相信我，所以我爱你。当你握着我的手，你给了我一双飞翔的翅膀，你改变了我的生活，你给我的心指明了一条通往未来的路。有你在我身边，我感觉强大，所以我爱你。还有我每天都能发现的无数个爱你的理由。我是小丫，今天是七夕，你表白了吗？喜欢小丫老师，双击两下屏幕，关注小丫老师，每天一起学英语。